Welcome to the Centre for Atmospheric Science at the University of Manchester. The Centre for Atmospheric Science, or CAS for short, is housed in the Simon Building on Brunswick Street, just off Oxford Road. Let's take a look inside. All of our laboratory facilities are locked to protect the extremely valuable resources we use in experimental research. This sensor uses light detection and ranging, or LiDAR for short, to make atmospheric measurements from the ground. An invisible ultraviolet laser is sent into the sky over Manchester. The laser can, however, be seen when illuminated by a sheet of normal white paper. Manchester is the home to a world-famous ice cloud chamber which covers 3 floors at a height of 10 meters, making it one of the tallest cloud chambers in the world. It has a diameter of 1 meter and can reach temperatures of minus 55 degrees Celsius. The chamber can be adapted with sensors to understand how supercooled water in clouds behave, how snowflakes form, and how ice crystals in clouds grow using techniques including those involving lasers. This is a droplet generator capable of generating tiny water droplets on demand. You can see the stream of droplets leaving the head. As the position of the head is adjusted into the path of a laser, droplets are illuminated with scattering signals recorded by a photodiode detector. CAS is the home to a state-of-the-art aerosol chamber. The composition of particles entering the chamber can be finely tuned and refined to meet certain criteria. Aerosols can be generated in a number of ways, such as from this diesel engine, from where emissions can be pumped directly into the chamber to measure how combustion affects the quality of our air. Secondary pollutants produced as a consequence of aerosol emissions are pumped out of the chamber and can be sampled by sophisticated gas and particle sensors. This is where our unmanned aerial vehicles are kept when they're not out on field campaigns. These platforms are capable of making in situ measurements of greenhouse gases. A lot of the research here at CAS is carried out on aircraft. This is an example of a greenhouse gas measurement instrument which has been adapted to be compliant in the air. This is a room filled with lots of books where meetings and interviews are held. Some call it the library. Whilst CAS is home to some world-leading laboratory facilities, a vast quantity of our research is carried out computationally by modelling. The results from such models form a large proportion of our research output. The most important part of CAS is by far the coffee area. Not only does caffeine fuel the engine of CAS, the coffee area is a great place for colleagues to leave their secluded offices and socialise. A typical PhD office is occupied by students from various stages in the programme. Some people like their desk to be neat and organised, while others treat their desk as if a bomb has just exploded. This is the 3rd floor corridor, also locked, where most atmospheric professors can be found. It is where Professor Tom Choularton, the head of the Atmospheric Science Research Group, works.
The Centre for Atmospheric Science was originally founded as the Atmospheric Physics Research Group in the Faculty of Technology of the University of Manchester. This later became UMIST, and it was in the Physics Department at UMIST. It was set up by John Latham in 1961. who joined the physics department in the Faculty of Technology as a new lecturer at that time. The group was, as I said, originally part of the physics department at UMIST, but UMIST and Manchester University merged in 2004, and at that time the atmospheric physics group became the Centre for Atmospheric Science and joined with the School of Geology at the University of Manchester to form a new School of Earth, Atmospheric and Environmental Sciences. Since then the group has grown steadily to now consist of 75 people. In 2007 it moved from its old premises in what is now the Sackville Street building near the centre of Manchester into newly refurbished labs in the Simon building where we're currently located.
I hope you have enjoyed our short tour of the Centre for Atmospheric Science at the University of Manchester. If you would like more information about what we do, or would like to contact a member of staff, visit our website www.cas.manchester.ac.uk.